Hello friends, welcome to Tech Plus Lab, and today we're going to take a look at this cheapest table lamp that I found. It's so cheap, it's probably the cheapest that even you will find on any retail site that's rechargeable and has a touch controls. This is the box, and all it says is that it has 3 modes and the lighting is soft. We have to agree with that because it has a diffuser and the light coming out of it is not at all harsh. There is literally nothing in this box except the light and a charging cable. I'll quickly open it up so that we can check out the insides. And here we have nothing. Well, literally it does have a battery and a circuit board, and that's it. And the board seems so simple that it's probably the simplest that you could ever make for recharging a lithium battery. This is actually not a 18650 and it's a 14500 battery, which is a double equivalent of lithium. And this circuit does not seem to have a over discharge protection, but the forward voltage of these LEDs is such that it won't probably drain the battery fully before going out. What really surprised me though is that this little 14500 battery is actually 800 mAh, guys. I mean, we have seen worse because we see those big 18650s and they have a merry 700 mAh capacity in these cheap lithium equipments. So it's kind of okay that they actually put a 14500 with 800 mAh capacity. We can see a typical TP4056 IC here. It does provide a overcharging protection, but it does not have a proper over discharge protection, and this circuit does not seem to have a DW01 chip, so it's always better to charge this thing as soon as the LEDs go dim. We can see the LEDs here and they are pretty bright. I mean, without the diffuser it's actually harsh, and with the diffuser it diffuses the light pretty well, and it's really good enough for a single book or a little bit of a table lighting. One more thing is that it works even without the battery, so you can disconnect the battery and power this using a power bank, and it works almost pretty well, except that I find sometimes the touch control doesn't work, but that's okay. Here are a couple of lighting samples. So finally, keeping in mind that this is not at all waterproof, I do like this one, although it has a couple of flaws. So maybe just subscribe if you do like short videos like this. Thank you for watching, and do hit like or dislike so I'll know what you think of this video.